After 50, your body faces a decision. Will it decline or transform? This isn't hype, it's biology. And the difference between aging fast or aging strong often comes down to one simple but powerful habit. It's not hours in the gym. It's not fancy machines. It's just one move, done daily, that could change the way your body feels and functions. No excuses, just results. That one move? Squats. Most people dismiss them as a basic leg exercise, but squats are one of the most underrated anti-aging tools on the planet. Why? Because they activate far more than just your legs. Squats strengthen your glutes, quads, hamstrings, hips, lower back, and even your core and posture. In less than a minute, you're firing up your entire system. It's like giving your body a full tune-up. See, after 50, leg strength is the first to go. That's why climbing stairs gets tougher, balance gets shakier, and daily tasks start to feel draining. But squats reverse that decline. They don't just build strength, they stimulate natural growth hormone, which supports lean muscle, boosts metabolism, reduces fat, and slows aging. You'll notice better energy, improved stability, and fewer aches and pains in your joints. And it gets better. Squats also boost circulation and activate your lymphatic system, which means better recovery, reduced inflammation, and enhanced detox. That stiffness in your knees, that low energy when you wake up, squats help fight all of that. Imagine easily bending down to tie your shoes. Imagine running around with your grandkids without worrying about your knees. That's the power of doing just a few squats every day. So, how do you do them properly? Start by standing tall with your feet shoulder-width apart. Engage your core. Drop your hips back like you're about to sit in a chair. Keep your chest lifted and your back straight. Don't let it round. Lower down until your thighs are parallel to the floor, or as low as you can go comfortably. Now push through your heels and rise back up to standing. That's one perfect rep. You don't need to do 100. Start with just 5 to 10 reps per day and stay consistent. Over time, increase the reps or add more sets, but only when your form feels strong. Your body will respond fast. You'll feel stronger. You'll move better. You'll have more energy and confidence with every step. This is how you stay fit, flexible, and independent well into your 60s, 70s, and beyond. Aging doesn't mean slowing down. It means getting smarter, more intentional, more powerful. So get up, get moving. Your transformation starts now. And if you're ready to take control of your health, hit subscribe and tap that bell because we're just getting started. Let's go.